Guys, welcome back to my channel. So 4 days ago I made this video, is Pepe the next big thing on Binance? And some guy wasn't happy with me. He said I'm a scammer, he's going to report my page to YouTube, stuff like that, as you're seeing on your screen. And what I just did was just to post this live AMA with CZ, him explaining about these meme coins, if they are going to list it to Binance, stuff like that. And this is what went ahead and happened. Binance is going to list Floki and Pepe on Binance, right? So that means my page, me myself, I'm not a scammer. I was just sharing with you information of what I heard from the AMA with CZ, the CEO of Binance. So let me play for you this video so that you also get to listen to what he said, and let us see if I'm really a scammer or not, because what you saw is Binance is going to list Pepe on Binance.
There's this new coin out there. It's at about a $500 million market cap right now, and it's been taking crypto by storm over the last 2 weeks. When is Binance going to list Pepe?
I can't comment on any listings or any project, etc. Right? So we actually have strict policies that even if we are talking with a project team, we forbid them disclosing anything about listings, etc. There's a lot of potential accusations or sometimes real leaks beforehand, and they cause insider trading, all these other problems. So and I don't comment on specific projects, but I'll comment on meme coins in general. I personally never really understood meme coins that much, to be honest. But there's many successful people who do seem to understand it. Including Elon Musk, everybody else, etc. So we go by users. So if the user community goes, if a coin have a lot of users trading it, wanting it, playing with it, etc., then we will most likely will list it. And if the coin, if it only lasts for 2 weeks, then we probably won't. But if it sustains, we probably will, right? So yeah, so that's we view coins from a user perspective. There's no guaranteed listing of any specific coin. There's no guaranteed not ever listing a specific coin, because coins develop over time. So meme coins, I don't really understand it, but we list a lot of coins I don't understand. I'm actually deliberately not involved in the Binance listing process. Number one, I don't have the time. Number two, I don't want to get involved. I don't want any. No, I have like each day I have a dozen people that reach out to me, say, hey, look, list this coin. Why don't you list that coin? I don't want to be pushing any coin for listings because I don't want to be associated with that process. So we have an independent team that evaluates. Number one criteria is number of users, but we also look at other things. We look at token economics. We don't like coins that have a very small circulating supply. Like some coins have a very small circulating supply, so they have a large total supply that's in reserve. And with a tiny bit of circulating supply, some of the coins are famous and people want it, and the price will be driven really high. But then as the more supply comes into circulation, the price may drop. Well, most likely will drop, or at least have a high risk of dropping. We try to avoid those kind of situations. So we're cautious around listing those type of coins. Projects that have many different coins, or teams that have many different coins that issue multiple coins, we're very cautious around those. Yeah, but no, meme coins, there's quite a lot, right? And some of them do get a lot of traction. We listed SHIB, and it's actually one of the more higher trading volume coins on Binance and globally. So yeah, we're not against it. We're not against any coin. So our team will evaluate it, and we'll see what happens.
Thanks, CZ.